Welcome back, viewers. This is question number 5. It says, find the truth set of X for which this is undefined, and we have the options given to us. Let's do this. Now, to say if this is undefined, what you have to do is equate your denominator to 0, because that's going to make this expression to be undefined. And now we have 4x cubed minus x equal 0. Now, to do this, here we're having x to the power of 3. That is, we need 3 equations. Now, to get that, let's factorize x out. So here we have 4x squared minus 1 equals to 0. So, the first equation, the solution we have is that x equals to 0. X is equals to 0. And also we have what? 4x squared minus 1 is also equals to 0. And we can simplify this further to also get the remaining 2 solutions. And to do that, 4x squared can be written as 2x all squared minus 1 equals to 0. Now, to simplify this further, we can use the difference of 2 squares. So using the difference of 2 squares, this is going to be 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1 equals to 0. This is the rule of difference of 2 squares. And this can be simplified as 2x equals to negative 1 by equating this. And here, this can be simplified as 2x equals to 1. X here is going to be negative 1 over 2. And x here is going to be 1 over 2. So the 3 solutions are going to be negative half, 0, and half. So the answer is option C. Thank you very much for watching. Please follow for more videos. Next, we'll be doing question number 6 in our next video. Thank you.